Alright, I've never tried this before, but I'm going to try and get the drone up off the ski here. See what happens.
Home point updated.
Oh. Yes, I've got this on the drone. How good. I don't know what this fish is though. Crazy. What a hot bite this morning. Oh, what is that? Oh, this is like a mackerel. What? Nah, what is this? This is on that little white plastic. I've got a mackerel or something on here. What is this? Was it a tuna? Oh, it's a tuna. Wicked. As if. Tuna on plastic. Oh man, he's not ready for the net. Silly me. Oh dear. Oh. How much fun is this? Tuna while the drone's up. Oh, you dog. Oh, he hit the net. Far out, he's a good sized fish, man. Come here. These fish are always so hard to net. Oh, you... Yes! You are kidding me. Tuna! What the hell? Right, well that tuna was absolutely epic. Now to try get this drone back. This is going to be the hard part, I think. Shit, that hurt my fingers, but I got it. The first ever drone flight. First ever drone flight from the ski. What a success. Bloody tuna. Alright, I'm going to pack this drone away. I'm sure I could probably catch more fish this morning, but I really don't need to. I've got the tuna in the esky, a couple of snapper. Probably need to go get a bit more ice. But yeah, as I say, that's it. Absolutely wicked session.